If you have a Google Calendar installed on your website, you'll find that it's very simple for you to add, delete, or edit different events on the calendar. The first thing to do to access your Google Calendar would be to go to your website. Here I've gone to our website and I'm going to go to the calendar page. On your website calendar page, you'll see at the bottom a link that says Google Calendar. Just click on that link and it's going to bring you to a sign-in page. You could also access this sign-in page by simply typing in www.google.com and you'll see the word calendar as one of your options. So here they're asking for my email address and password. You should have been given a specific email address and password just for your Google Calendar. And it probably ends with @gmail.com. So here's mine, redpenguinweb@gmail.com, and I've typed in my password to sign in. Once I'm signed in, you'll notice that the calendar can be seen in week view or in month view. I always personally prefer the month view, a little easier to read. Once you're here, we can do several things. We can add new events to the calendar or change existing events. For example, if I would like to add a new event on March 21st, I'm going to click on the word Create an Event. And it's going to open up a box for me. And I'm going to add that we're going to have a Monday evening dinner meeting. Here's a spot to put the date, and I'll put the date as March 21st, and a spot to put the time. And I'll put the time as 6:30 p.m. I could also put in an ending time, although it will automatically default to 1 hour. And then I'll hit Save. And you'll notice our Monday evening dinner meeting came up here on March 21st. One of the nice things in Google is if I needed that dinner meeting or any event to repeat over and over and over, I don't have to type it in every time. So I'm going to click on this to change the event. If I click once, I can either delete it or edit the event. I'm going to edit it. Here we are again. My Monday evening dinner meeting is on March 21st at 6:30. If I needed to change the time to 7:30, I could do that right here. I could also check this box that says Repeat. And you'll notice a box opens that asks me if I want to repeat weekly, daily, monthly, yearly. I'm going to tell it to repeat weekly. Ends never means Monday evening for the rest of my life after a certain number of occurrences, or ends on a particular date. We're going to end on April 11th. Finally I hit Done, and when I hit Save, you will see that our Monday evening dinner meeting is going to come up every Monday up through April 11th. If I needed to cancel just one of those, for example, this one, I would click on it and hit Delete. You'll notice that they're going to ask, do I want to delete only this one, all of the ones that follow this one, or the entire series? I only want to delete this one. And there we have it. So we have learned how to create an event and how to make a repeating event, and also how to delete an event by simply clicking on the event. Here's an event that's not repeating, and I could delete it by simply clicking on it. You may have noticed that some of the events we're putting in look like text, whereas some other ones are solid in color. The difference is that the ones that appear in text are timed events. In other words, it starts at 7:30 p.m. This particular event does not have a time attached to it. It's an all-day event. If I added an all-day event here to April 4th, create event, and I'm going to simply add that we're going to have a client conference. It's going to happen on April 4th, but it's going to be all day. You'll notice once I clicked all day, the times disappeared. This is an all-day event happening on April 4th. You'll notice the all-day event came out first, followed by the timed events. That'll help you if you're trying to make things appear in a particular order. All-day events will come out first, followed by timed events that will show up in time order. So again, simply, the way to edit your Google Calendar would be first to go to your website, find the calendar page, click on the word Google Calendar at the bottom, which will bring you to a sign-in screen where you would put your name and password. Your calendar will open up, and you can either add new events by clicking the button that says Create an Event, or if you need to delete or alter existing events, you would simply click on it and choose either Delete or Edit to make changes. I'll just delete this one now, and it's gone. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.